Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's short but very helpful tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Google Calendar as an app on your Windows PC or laptop. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Calendar running in its own clean window, just like a regular desktop app, with a shortcut you can double-click anytime. And the best part? This method is quick, safe, and doesn't require installing any extra software. We're simply using your browser's built-in feature. So take your time, relax, and follow along with me step by step. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your web browser. Any modern Chromium-based browser will work just fine, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome. Also, make sure it's updated to the latest version so everything looks exactly like what you're seeing on my screen. Once Chrome is open, click on the address bar, type calendar.google.com, and press Enter. If you're already signed into your Google account, your calendar will load immediately. If not, you may be prompted to sign in first. Just go ahead and do that. It's important to wait until Google Calendar fully loads. This helps Chrome pick the correct app name and icon during installation. Now, normally, when a website supports installation as an app, you'll see a small install icon on the right side of the address bar. As you can see, we don't have it there. But don't worry at all, Chrome gives us another easy option. Look toward the top right corner of your browser. You'll see 3 small vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu. Click on it and give it a second to open. From the list, scroll down slowly until you see Cast, Save, and Share. Hover your mouse over it and a side menu will appear. Right there, you'll see Install Google Calendar or Install Page as App. Go ahead and click on it. A small pop-up will appear showing the app name and icon Chrome plans to use. I'll click Install. And that's it. Behind the scenes, Chrome instantly adds Google Calendar to your system as a standalone app. No browser tabs, no address bar, no distractions. It opens in its own clean window, making it feel just like a native desktop application. Let's close everything for a moment and see what changed. In most cases, a desktop shortcut is created automatically. And you'll also find Google Calendar in your Start menu. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second, or simply search for Google Calendar using Windows Search. To make it even more accessible, I'll right-click the app icon and choose Pin to Start. Now, when I open the Start menu, I can see it right here. I'll right-click it again and select Pin to Taskbar. Perfect. Google Calendar is now just one click away whenever I need to check or manage my schedule. I'll click the Google Calendar icon pinned to the taskbar now, and there you go. A smooth, focused Google Calendar experience running outside the browser. Clean, fast, and very convenient. Now, what if you decide you no longer want the app installed? Uninstalling it is just as easy. Go to the Start menu, right-click on the Google Calendar app, and select Uninstall. This takes you directly to the Windows Apps Settings page. Scroll down, find Google Calendar, click the 3 dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to remove the app's data from Chrome. Go ahead and confirm. Once that's done, check your desktop, Start menu, and taskbar. Everything is completely removed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install and uninstall Google Calendar as an app on a Windows PC or laptop. Simple, clean, and very practical. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more simple tech guides, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. Until next time, stay blessed, and keep coding smarter, not harder.